This is not as good as I.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
Good morning. So we are headed into work. I don't even know what day it is for Vlogmas for YouTube because YouTube is different than TikTok. I've been trying to film the same content, but for the most part, TikTok is already ahead of where I am on YouTube for Vlogmas. I'm just trying to make sure I'm ahead. I think for YouTube already I'm on day 5, but for TikTok I filmed day 3, 4. Like today I'm filming day 4 for TikTok. So it's just a lot trying to keep up with both. I didn't bring my other camera. I feel like I want to bring both cameras just because it makes it easier, so I'm filming everything at the same time. But then I feel like is my content it's not similar if you don't follow me on TikTok, but if you follow me on TikTok and go to YouTube, I feel like it's literally almost the same thing. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm trying to figure out. I'm just trying to make my life easier. I'm trying to use one type of content and then clip it down. That's what basically I'm trying to do. If y'all see my nails looking insane, it's because I cut them. I just clipped them. I need to redo my nails this week, actually tomorrow. I feel like I have 2 days to figure out everything I need to do between my hair, between my lashes, and my nails. Which my nails I could probably actually take off tonight, and then tomorrow I will end up just putting them on or something like that, because I don't think I have anything to do tomorrow on my hair. But while my hair is being like dried, I could technically do my nails. I'm so sleepy because I didn't sleep well because I was up since 3 something this morning. And then of course when it's like time to get up, that's when I'm like, I'll just take a little nap. So today you're also gonna see my outfit of the day. Today is Winter Wonderland. We have a theme. Every day for December we have something called December to Remember. And our theme for today is Winter Wonderland. We're white, blue, or silver. I'm wearing like white and like whatever color this is, brown, khaki, whatever. I'm gonna take this light. I just wish I didn't have that anymore. You know what I mean? Like I wish I didn't have, like, why do I have so much? Why do I have so much? All right, so I'm gonna go. I will talk to y'all later. I'll talk to y'all later on today. Hopefully my nose is not dry. Oh my God, my nose is so freaking dry. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
That whole coffee bar. This is not as good as I.
Hey y'all, welcome back to, I think this is Vlogmas day, what day is it? Anyway, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day because it was super, super cute today. And it was considered Winter Wonderland day, and I felt like I had to wear like a white, blue, or silver. So I wore these pants from Abercrombie with this, sweater from Shein, and this belt from Amazon. And then my shoes, look, I just wore my Uggs, and this was my outfit for the day. Isn't my outfit of the day so cute? Like, look at me. I'm about to go edit another vlog and I'll come back later on. We're supposed to go to a concert tonight. We're going to a concert tonight. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Bye. Are you nervous? You're not gonna say anything? You're just gonna stand there? It's not a video, it's a video. You're not gonna say anything? No? You don't feel like talking?
doesn't matter if the snow is falling